Hello, dear children. How are you all? Hopefully, you all are happy, healthy, and excited for today's story. Without delay, let's begin. The Aravali River had started to flow again. And what was the result? Because of because the river was alive, the trees grew back. Because the trees grew back, the leopards and the deer returned, and the desert was turning green. And then the third spark appeared, that is, water parliament. Rajendra realized that water didn't belong to the government or to him, it belonged to the community. But a big company wanted to take the water from the Aravali River to sell it. Rajendra didn't call a lawyer, he called a meeting. He helped the villagers form a river parliament. Farmer, Farmers, mothers, and elders sat together to decide how much water each person could use. They stood up to the powerful companies and won because they were united. Rajendra looked at the flowing water and the children playing in the greenery and realized his true purpose. I was born not just to live for myself, but to be a voice for the earth and its people. The moral of the story is nature provides for our need, but we must be its guardian. One person with a shovel and a vision can turn a desert into a garden, but a community working together can change the world. And this is the lesson we learn from this story. Afterwards, Dr. Rajendra uh, helped out many states and villages storing water, restoring water. What are the key lessons of today's story? First is empathy. Real healing starts by looking at the roots of a problem, not just the symptoms. Second thing we learn is persistence. Don't let the laughter of the people stop you from doing what is right. Okay. And third, that is respect for tradition. Sometimes the best solutions for the future are hidden in the wisdom of our ancestors. And this is what we learned from today's story. Hopefully you all must have enjoyed today's story. Please do share this story with your friends, relatives, neighbors, cousins, school friends. This kind of inspiring personalities you would be having in your lessons also, Hindi and English. So hopefully this information will help you there also. So please share this story with your friends, relatives, neighbors, cousins, school friends, everyone. Do subscribe to our channel. We'll meet tomorrow with a new story. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Lots of blessings.